This is the best chicken you'll ever eat. We'll start by putting 2 cups of milk, salt to taste, 500 grams of chicken thighs. Leave in the comments where you're talking about so I can send you a hug. Let it marinate for 1 hour with the lid on. From 0 to 10, what grade do you think this recipe deserves? Now, after taking our chicken out of the milk, we will add salt to taste, paprika to taste, black pepper to taste, garlic powder to taste, onion powder to taste, and let's stir our chicken well. Let's cover again or cover with cling film for 1 hour. After 1 hour, we will pass our chicken in the wheat and flour very well. Take the excess. And we're going to put it in water and then in cornstarch. Now let's fry it in very hot oil. And this is our result. It was wonderful. It turned out amazing. If you could smell it, you'd thank me. Thank you so much for watching this far. I'm sure if you make it for your family and friends, they will love it. See you in our next recipe, and God bless you.